Hello, good afternoon. Today I am going to explain what is vapor compression refrigeration system. What is a refrigeration system? First, let me explain what is the refrigeration system. The basic difference between the cooling and refrigeration system. What is the cooling? Simple cooling simply if a liquid which which has a temperature 50 degree and it may be tea, it may be milk. When it put on the table in the room, then it will going to decrease. It will be going to decrease up to the environment temperature. It means the temperature of the room. This is called the cooling. Cooling means decrease the temperature up to the environment temperature. But if you are talking about the refrigeration, it is also the phenomena of the cooling, but the temperature will be the below the environment temperature. That is the basic phenomena, the basic difference between the refrigeration system and cooling. Cooling can be say we can say the refrigeration can say cooling, but we cannot say every cooling is on the refrigeration system. Okay. Now, our target is to maintain the temperature of the environment, means system below the environment temperature. This is our target, and this target is fulfilled by the refrigerant, which is like ammonia, CO2, Freon 12. These are the refrigerant which fulfill this requirement. Okay. How it is, how it works. It is used in the refrigerator. Basically, it is used in the refrigerator and the AC. And there are four components for complete the cycle. There are the evaporation, compression, condensation, and expansion. Let me explain what is the situation where the compressor and evaporator and condenser and capillary tube is situated. Condenser, if you are talking about the refrigerator, the condenser is situated behind the refrigerator. If you are talking about the evaporator is the evaporator is situated in the top of the refrigerator, where the process of the ice is making. And the condenser I have already told you, it is the behind the refrigerator, and the evaporator is at the top of the refrigerator, where the process of the ice is making. The compressor is situated at the bottom of the refrigerator, and there is a capillary tube. It is nothing but one tube which join the condenser and the evaporator. Okay.